Can you hear me? Am I audible? Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning, everyone. Turn your camera, please.
Sir, 5 minutes, sir.
Okay, okay. Good morning, Sam.
Morning, sir. You done moving, sir?
Yeah, I'm done with the moving, but right now each cell of my body is saying, it's burning. Burning, not paining, it's burning.
I
I have a grace that I got an apartment which is near to my previous one. But I mean, the case is that one is like we have only one wall. So we took the stuff upstairs. That one wall, we just put it there, and then we climb down. So it's like it's very like the new apartment and the old apartment has only one wall. Okay, so instead of going down and then again up, whole thing, we just take to the stairs and then we shift it there. So that's a grace of God we have. So yesterday we were doing some question we in which I leave it incompletely. Can you tell me which question was? I guess a scooter one, no? Oh, yeah. Okay. So we'll do this again. I think we did this. Yeah, we did this one, but we were doing one question in which, yes.
Morning, sir.
Good morning. Hannah, that was not correct way.
What, sir?
The question which you said, it is not correct.
The solution is not correct. Or the
Yeah. No, no. The solution is not correct. I will do it when then I will tell it to you.
oh,
Okay, everyone listen. Joshua, Abigail, Sam, turn on your camera, please. Please turn on your camera. Okay, a ceiling fan is marked 1940 as a cash. So we have to write first cash. So cash price is rupees 1940. Okay. Now what is the down payment? So down payment is rupees 420. Now three equal installments are there. So I don't know how much monthly installment are there. So I will write let the installment let the installments be X. Okay, because I don't know how much installments are there. So let the installments be X. Okay. So okay, and it is given that rate is 16% per annum. Okay. So like how much the balance left we have to calculate. So balance left is 1940 minus 420 is equals to 1520. Okay, this much balance left. Okay, now how much total I will pay? So total paid because three installments are there, and every month I will pay X amount of installment, so it will become 3x. What will become 3x? The total paid is 3x. Okay. Now how much extra, which is interest, I paid is the balance left which is 1520 minus 3x. So this is the extra which I will pay. Understood, guys? Yes or no? Did you understand, Sam, Abigail, Joshua, Jehoan?
Can you repeat one more time, sir?
Yeah. So basically, the fan is 1940 is the cash price, 420 is the cash down payment, and three equal monthly installments are there. Okay. And rate was also given as 16% per annum. Now we have to calculate the monthly installment. Now the cash price is given, so I wrote the cash price. Okay, down payment is given, which is 420. And let the installment be X because I don't know how much installment is there, so let the installment be X. Rate is given as 16%. Balance left is 1520. Why 1520? Because the cash price minus the down payment which I gave, which is 1520. Now total paid. Because I don't know, like 2000, if for example, if I'm paying 2000 per 2000 per monthly. Okay. So how much amount I will pay after 3 months? If I'm paying 2000 per month, okay, after 3 months, how much amount I will pay? Can you tell me, guys?
1,000 into 3.
No.
Yes. So 6,000 basically I will pay. So in the same way, the installment amount which I don't know, okay, the 3x is the total amount which I will pay, and the balance left is 1520. I will subtract it to get the interest. Okay. Now I have to calculate the principal of every month. So principal for first month. Principal for the first month is the balance left, which is 1520. Principal for second month, which is 1520 minus x. Principals for third month, 1520 minus 2x. Now I have to add this to get the principal for first month. So basically, when you will add it, what will you get? 1520, 1520, 3040, 3040 is 4560 minus 3x. This is the principal for the month. Okay? Understood, guys? Okay? Okay, now we have to calculate this like we have the formula I is equals to P into R into T by 100. So interest is 1520 minus 3x is equals to P. Principal is 4560 minus 3x into R. Our rate is, what is it? 16% into time, which is 1 by 12 upon 100. Like this. Understood, guys? Now, 4 threes and this will become 4 okay. This will become 125. Now it will like this 75 into 1520 minus 3x is equals to 4560 minus 3x. Now you will when you will multiply and solve it, you will get the answer. Did you understand, guys? Everyone? Joshua, Abigail, everyone understood?
Yes, sir. Now I understood. I was trying to think like how would you move it? I thought the 4560 minus 3x would go in the denominator.
No, no, no. Like we have to like we will multiply this and this. Okay, when we will multiply this, multiply by this, then we will get some values and like this, and then equals to 4560 minus 3x, like this.
Okay,
And
sir.
then we have to do shifting part.
Okay, sir. Got it.
Got it? Okay, quickly add it out. We'll do one more question. Done? Shall I raise this, guys?
One minute.
So what's the final answer?
Final answer you want? It's 3,000.
With this calculation, I'm getting 492.97, and it's not giving any interest.
No, sorry. Answer is 520.
I do it, so.
Yeah, I will do it. Did I do something wrong? Yes, I did something wrong. See, guys, you didn't tell me this thing, Hannah. If interest is this, then you will get, like, for example, 1520 is the value minus 3x I did. You will get answer is negative, na? Because always the installment which I'm paying it will be greater than the balance left, na? Hannah, are you there?
Was it was not coming in negative. There was still,
But
but
still, this will give a great difference. We'll check. So it means that it will come like this: 3x minus 1520. Because the balance left will be less as compared to the amount which I will put. Understood, guys? Yes or no? The amount which I will pay, the total installment which I will pay, will be greater than the balance left. Understood? So, like, I will
Can you
solve
say
it
that
now.
again?
See, Sam, for example, you are paying 2,000 rupees per month. So for the 3 months, how much amount you will pay? Every
Sorry,
month
again.
you pay. Say it again. Sorry.
Could you repeat?
See,
Right? Your
2,000
voice.
every 2,000 you are paying every month. You every month you're paying 2,000. Now for the three, like, you paid 3 months. Every month 2,000. How much money you paid?
1,000.
6,000. So the amount in the installment, like 3x, will be greater than the balance left. Understood? No.
Yes, understood.
So it will become 3x minus 1520 is equals to P. Principal. What is principal? The principal is 14560 minus 3x into 16 into 1/12 upon 100. The 4 and then 3. So we can do this thing, which sort of easy for us. Uh, so 3x minus 1520 is equals to 4 into 4 minus 0 upon 300 and 3 power is 3 plus that's 300 3x minus 1520 is equals to 4 into 3x which is 900 minus 456 zero, zero, zero.
Sir, it's not 3x, no, sir. It's
Yes,
12.
stop it like that. Some mistake I did. What I don't know. Let me check. I guess our is correct. Yeah, our is correct, guys. So this is correct answer. In the book, in the book, it's incorrect. If you will check, this will become four, this will become three. Become 300, right? Yeah, our is correct. If you're getting nearly about 502, then it is correct.
So when you're doing it, it's 502 into 3 is 1506. And that is lesser than the balance left. It's 14 rupees less.
Yeah. Good. Some calculation is
Sir, I'm getting 18,440 plus 400, 4 lakh 56,000. The sum of that I'm getting is 4,000, 4 lakh 74,240.
Let me check. This is 50.
Then you get 526.
This is 50. Calculation mistake is there. Yeah, it's not my mistake. Calculation mistake. Calculator mistake. Okay, this is how it will done. This question will have lot of we can say lot of calculation mistake we can do because shifting here and there, adding, and then it gonna be give a lot of calculation mistake. Yes, Jehovah.
Sir, in that step 3x minus 1520 equal to 4 into 4000. That's it. Before you simplified it by shifting 300 over the other side, couldn't we cancel out the 4 and 300? Simplify it,
You can.
and
Why
is
I
it
did
easier for
three?
cancellation? For calculation?
Yeah. See, it will lessen the calculation. But for example, right now the 00, if it is there, I personally never eliminate it. Why I never eliminate it? Because I know that to do this calculation to multiply this, I will just multiply like 3, these are 9. And the two zeros will automatically come. 3 into 1520 is 456. And the three zeros will automatically means the eliminating the zero will reduce the number, but it will have chance for wrong calculation. So I personally, you can do it. I'm not saying you will also do this way, but I personally never do this because it's like the numbers will lot of number will come, and if you will miss one number, like for example from 100, if you will miss one, then the that much you will get which I used to get. Okay, so that's the problem. Okay, I'm erasing this. Do you want one more question to do this from this? Yes,
Yes.
because Hannah is saying that's why. Okay, guys, do it quickly. Ouch! 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 Joshua done.
No, sir.
So are you getting this? And like, did you understand all these concepts?
Yeah, just the last part is a bit hard, but
Okay.
Sir, is it 3000?
Let me show. Let me see this. Okay, done. Yes, it's 3,000. Correct. Everyone, did you understand how to solve this? No? Joshua, Jehovan, Hannah, Sam,
so there was a mistake in adding. So,
in
addition, a silly.
in addition. Okay, you did wrong addition. Okay, no problem. But you did till here correct, na? Till here.
Yeah, the steps are correct.
Okay. Jehovan, where you did the mistake?
I don't think I completely understood the concept. Now I do, but I didn't add all the 1400s. I just took it as 1400 minus 10x.
So you have to add all this thing, no? Like 14,000, 14,000, 14,000, 14,000, like 70,000. No problem. Uh, Hannah, where you did mistake?
Calculations.
Sorry?
Calculations.
What?
I have calculation mistake. I got
Yeah, let's do this. Hannah, what are you doing? Abigail, all correct? Okay. Sam, are you there, Sam?
Yes, sir, I'm there. I just messed up on the calculation part. Otherwise, I got most of it.
Oh, okay. So we'll do one more question then. The cost of washing machine is 12,000. Okay. The company asks for 5,200 in advance, which is basically a cash down payment only, and rest to be paid in equally monthly installment. The rate is given, which is 12% per annum, and the customer, if a customer can pay 14,000 each month, then how many installment he has? Now, basically, we have the installment amount. Everyone, please pay attention. This is little bit different from the previous question. Everyone, please pay attention. We have the installment amount, but how many months will be there? We don't know. Like in the previous question, it is given 5 equal months, 5 months. Okay, so that is the number of installment. Like five times I will pay. Okay, but now in this case, we have the installment amount like 1,400 we have to pay, but for how many months we don't know. So this question we will do like this. Let the number of installments be X. Yes or no? Any problem in that? Guys, Jehovah, Hannah, Abigail, what problem, beta? No problem. We'll take not X, we'll take as N. We'll take it as N. Now, what is the cash price? Cash price is same as 12,000. What is the down payment, which is like the amount which is paid in advance? So that is called as down payment, which is rupees 5200. Now we know that the rate is also given, which is 12% per annum. And if customer says 1,400, he can pay 1,400. So rupees 1,400 is the installment amount. Now total paid. First we will calculate the balance left. Then we will write the total paid. Now how much balance left was there? So 12,000 is the cash price and I pay 5,200. So it means that 5,800 will be the balance left. Did you understand, guys? Yes? Still any problem?
1,008.
What is
6,200. Sorry?
Say it again, sir. I wasn't able to.
See, first, we know the cash price is 12,000, down payment is 5,200, rate is given, installment amount means every month he has to pay 1,400. But how many times he has to pay? That we are calculating. And balance left is the cash price minus down payment, which is 6,800. Okay, Abigail? Did you understand?
How did you get 6,800?
When you will subtract the cash price, which is 12,000 minus the down payment, that's the balance left which I have to pay in the form of installments. Okay. Okay. Now this is the 6,800 is the cash down balance left. Now total paid. How much total I will pay? क्या हो रहा है? Come on, bro. Now total paid is basically the installment, which is 1,400 minus the 1,400 into N. Like number of installment into the installment amount is the total paid. Yes or no, guys? Yes or no? Now we have to calculate the interest. Interest is 1,400 N minus the balance amount, which is 6,800. Yes, who said?
Hannah,
Yeah.
do we have to add the down payment also because we paid that?
Down payment you have to add. Why?
Because like we have paid that, right? So do we have to add it when we are putting the total paid?
See, if we are taking cash price, then we have to subtract. We have to take the down payment also. But we are directly taking the balance left.
Okay.
Like balance left is 6,800. No, so it's already means that cash price minus down payment. So no need to take these two things. That whole thing is like convert into the 6,800, which is the balance left. Understood, Hannah?
Yes.
Okay. Now this is the interest. Now we have to calculate the principal. The principal for first month. The principal for the first month is like 6,800 is there. 6,800 is there, and every month I am paying 1,400. So this is the first month will remain same, but for the second month, 6,800 is there, and I'm paying. Oh, come on, bro! And I'm paying 1,400 rupees. So it will become rupees 14. Sorry, 5,400. Now for third month, it will be 5,400 minus 1,400, which will be 4,000. Now for fourth month, it will be 4,000 minus 1,400, which will become 2,600. Now for the fifth month, it will be rupees 2,600 minus 1,400, which will be rupees 1,200. Now for the sixth month, 1,200 is there minus 1,400, which will become nil. Nil means now there is no amount is left. Now you will ask, sir, that 1,200, if you will subtract minus 1,400, you will get minus 200. But you are writing nil. Basically, we got the answer. See, if you will check that in 6 months, the amount becomes zero. Okay, it means that the answer will be 6. Okay, we know that the number of installment would be 5, but on the sixth month it is stopping. Yes, so it means that how many installment I pay? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Means 5 installment I pay. Understood, guys? The answer is 5. We got that. But we have to calculate it according to the examiner. That's why we will do the next step also. And the second point, if you will subtract it, you will get answer as minus 200. Yes or no? If you will subtract this, you will get answer as minus 200. But here I am writing nil. Why? Because minus 200 means that 200 is basically the interest. 200 is the interest which will add it up, which become 1,400, and the 1,400 and 1,400 become 0. Understood, guys? Yes or no? What I'm trying to say.
Yes, sir. So this step we need to write in the exam.
Yes, everything we have to write it down in the exam to get the full mark. If you want only half marks, then you can stop here and you can say number of installment is 5.
Sir,
Yeah.
1 to minus 200, how do we know if it is the 12% of the interest? I mean, 12% of the
Sorry.
principal. If
Sorry,
we
say it
stop
again.
here, there's no way of knowing if it is actually 12% of the principal or less.
Yeah. See, basically what happens if you will like do the previous question also, I also told you that this basically 1200 is there. Okay. Now if you will subtract it 1400, you will get answers minus 200. That 200 is the extra amount which I am paying. That become 1400 again. So 1400 minus 1400 will become 0. So from this I can get that interest is 200. Understood? No. If you will, if see, we can do one more thing. We get that how many installment I paid? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 installment are there. Okay, 1400 into n, 1400 into 5, 70,000, 7,000. 7,000 minus 6,800 is 200 rupees. So means basically 200 rupees is extra I am paying. Understood, Jahan? Yes. So now we have to solve this. Um,
So also take the 1600, right, from the top. 6800.
Sir, what are we taking as time? Are we just doing 5 months or 6 months? Or is it 1/12?
Okay. So yeah. So now what we have to do, we have to add all this, and when we will add this, we will get answer as 20,000. This also. So it becomes 20,000. Okay. Now we have the principal as rupees 20,000. Okay. And we have rate as, sorry, we have all these things. Now we have to put I is equals to P into R into T by 100. Now the interest is basically 1400 and minus 6,800 is equals to P, which is 20,000 into R, which is 12%, into time, which is 1 by 12 upon 100. Now this and this will cut, this and this will cut, so it will become 1400 N is equals to 200 plus 6,800. 1400 N is equals to 7,000. N is equals to 7,000 by 14, and it will become 5. So it means that the number of installment which I am paying, it will 5 times. We got the answer before also, guys. If you will say see that 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 times I'm paying. Understood, guys? Yes or no? We got the answer before also. But to get the marks, we have to solve it. If you don't want to get the marks, you can stop there also. Understood? Abigail, if you don't want to get the marks, then you can stop there also. It's all about you. Your wish. Okay?
Remember that useful tip when I'm trying not to score marks, sir.
That's it. So I guess I hope you understood this concept. Yes or no? Everyone understood, guys? So try to do CYP 9.2 as the homework, and then tomorrow we will do the cash price wala question to find the cash price. Okay, guys. Okay. So I hope you enjoyed the class. Till then, bye. Have a nice day. Signing off. Tata bye bye. Sayonara for the Hannah and Abigail. We will have science class in 4 minutes. Okay, everyone.
Bye, sir. Thank you.
Bye, Abigail. Bye, Hannah. In 4 minutes, come back. Okay, guys, come back. Come back, come back, come back. Everyone turn on your camera. Joshua, turn on your camera. Jehovan, please turn on your camera. Hello, Jeshron. Good morning.
Good morning, sir.
Very good morning. Very good morning. Hello, Sam. Nice to see you on camera.
I don't know, sir. I on my camera like 3 times in class. Then this was coming up like random screen.
What happened?
Can you see me, sir?
Yes, I can see you. You are right.
Yes.
Right now, you are in night.
That's coming on my screen also, sir. I'm trying to fix.
Joshua, are you there? Joshua,
Oh, yes, sir.
turn on your camera, please. Okay. So we did some questions on thermal energy or the light, like we did the kinetic energy and the potential energy. So I give you an example also. For example, this is a pen. A pen is there. Okay, when it is above the height, like for example, this is the base, and if it is above the height, and if it is fall, if I am taking to the some height, I am letting it, I am doing work against the gravity, and that work is now converted into the potential energy in the pen. And when I will drop it, it will go down. Okay, because the gravity is pulling, and because of that, this is the velocity in the span, and because of that, because of the velocity in the pen, the kinetic energy increases. Now we will understand the thermal energy. Okay, thermal energy is the energy that is produced in the object by the heat. If heat is there, then thermal energy increases. Understood, guys? If heat is there, then thermal energy increases. This is the main thing. Yes or no?
Sir, did
Yes.
you say it is there thermal energy increases? Is that right?
Yeah. For example, Mama is making tea. And for making tea, Mama will turn on the gas, then burn the gas, and everything will go process by process. And when you will touch that vessel, then what will you do? You'll say, "Wow, it's looking very good. Wow, it's feeling so good." Is it like that? No, no. When you will touch it, ouch, 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 Mama, what is this, Mama? It's too hot. Why? Because it's a thermal energy is there. Understood, guys? Yes or no? Because of the thermal energy, it's very hot. Light energy, we did the chapter light. Okay, not with Sam, but we did the chapter light. In the light, what we learned, like for example, you can see me. Okay, why? Because the light is coming from the window. And just before that, you can't see Sam. Why? Because Sam was in the dark room. Okay, that's why you're not able to see that in the video. Understood, Sam? Yes or no?
Sir,
Okay.
please say it again. I just heard light, and you can only see me because of light after.
After that, like we saw you in the video, na, that total dark. We can't see you because you are sitting in the dark room. Understood, Sam?
Sir, I'm sitting in a very well lit room, sir. I don't understand why my camera is only capturing the darkness in the room, sir. It is very bright and sunny in Hyderabad today, sir. Very bright
Oh,
rays. I don't know what.
okay, okay,
I
okay.
think my
No
camera
problem.
just likes cold weather, sir. I guess apparently it just wants to be in the cold. I guess.
Uh,
Because since electronics, if they overheat, they get destroyed. So it prefers to stay cool.
yeah. Okay, no problem. So we were doing this thing. Now we will understand the electrical energy. Now, what is electrical energy? So electrical energy is the flow of electrons. We learn this thing also. Like when the flow of electrons are there, that makes the electric appliances work. And if electric appliances is working, then it is called as electrical energy. Yes or no? Then we understand magnetic energy. Magnetic energy is the force of attraction between the two magnets or between the magnet or the magnetic material. Magnetic material like iron, like mostly iron, that is called magnetic energy. Then sound energy, like I am speaking, you are hearing, it's because of sound energy. Nuclear energy is the energy which produce, like it's a nucleus bombardment is there, and because of that, huge amount of energy releases. And that huge amount of energy releases is basically called as nuclear energy. Understood, guys? Yes or no? So we
Sir,
learn
sorry, can you
all
repeat
these
it
things.
again, sir? Not able to get.
See, nuclear energy is a form of energy in which nucleus is heated with the another nuclear like uranium. It produces when it is heated, it produces a very huge amount of energy. That is called as basically nuclear energy. Okay, yes or no? Now, energy transformation and conversation. Now, listen, guys. You should remember that energy cannot be created and nor be destroyed. Remember this thing that energy cannot be created and nor be destroyed. That's a very, very important thing. Okay? Energy cannot be created nor be destroyed, but it can transform from one object to another object. For example, we'll take one example. For example, um, uh, you are burning a cracker. Okay, so it means that you are giving the thermal and the heat energy, like thermal energy, to that burning cracker, and because of that, the 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 when cracker burst, that heat energy is now converted into the sound energy. Understood? For example, we'll take one example. When two cars collide, when two cars collided, there is a lot of sound produces. Yes? Why? Because their kinetic energy, the two kinetic energies are now they collided, and because of that, the sound करके निकला. Understood, guys? Yes or no? So energy cannot be created nor be destroyed, but it can transform from one energy to the another energy. Understood? Yes or no? Joshua. So you should ask that, sir, we are getting energy from sun. So how sun is getting like sun is making energy? No, it's not making energy. See what sun is doing. Sun is the we can say fireball. Yes, that firewall has basically helium and hydrogen gas. And that hydrogen and helium gas, like it's splitting and it's in the chain reaction. And because of that, it's producing the great amount of energy. And that energy, like because of it's basically the nuclear energy which is continuously going on sun. Okay. And because of that, now we are getting a good amount of energy. Did you understand, guys? Okay. Okay, so energy cannot be created nor be destroyed. Okay, so can you read this? Who will read? Joshua will read this. Joshua, please read this.
The potential energy of water. Shall I read the points?
Yeah.
The potential energy of water stored in a dam changes into kinetic energy as water falls from a height. The kinetic energy of flowing water changes into kinetic energy of rotation of a turbine. The coil attached with the shaft of the turbine rotates in a magnetic field to convert kinetic energy of rotation of the turbine into electrical energy. In our bones, an electric bulb or tube. In our homes, an electric bulb or the tube light converts
Okay, listen, guys,
electrical
listen,
energy
guys,
to light.
listen, guys. Okay, so basically that the turbine, basically how the hydroelectricity forms, I will tell it to you. Okay, so for example, understand it like this. This is a dam in which this is all water is there. Okay, all water is there. Now, now basically when water is stored, like for example, if this is a bottle, this is a bottle, and if it is full of water, and if it is full of water, and if you will cut it from this side, then what will happen? That water will come out from the bottle. Yes, water will come out from the bottle in the same way. In the same way, when you will open the gate, the water will come out from this turbine. Okay, like this. And because of this, this turbine will move. And when this turbine is moved, from this electricity is formed. Understood? Do you know dynamo? Do you know dynamo? Okay, dynamo is the electrical devices which is on the like windmill or turbine. These types of turbine, they use in that. When the turbine will move, the dynamo will move, and when the shaft of the dynamo will move, then what will happen? That produces the electrical energy. So when the water potential energy is converted into kinetic energy, because of that, the turbine is moving, and that turbine movement is produces the electricity. That is called as the hydroelectricity. Because of water, if electricity is produced, that is called as hydroelectricity. Understood? Understood? Yes or no? Any problem, Jawan? Okay, second point.
In our homes, an electric bulb or tube light converts electrical energy into light energy. Electric oven or heater or iron or soldering iron convert electrical energy into heat energy. An electrical pump or motor converts electrical energy into mechanical energy. An electric cell converts chemical energy into electrical energy. Solar cell converts light energy into electrical energy, and a thermocouple changes heat energy into electric energy. A microphone converts sound energy into electrical energy, and a loudspeaker changes electrical energy into sound energy. Heat engine converts heat energy into work in mechanical energy, and work done against friction is covered into heat, converted into
So
heat.
basically, you can see that the appliances or the subjects which we are using, they converted some energy into some energy. Okay, it's not like that they produces energy. Nobody produces the energy, but the energy can transform. For example, mechanical energy can transform. For example, okay, I'll tell you one example. A motor, water pump motor. Okay, a motor takes the water from the underground. Okay, and it putted the water into the rooftop with the help of the motor succession. Okay, now that is the example. Like, what is this example? This example is motor works on electricity. That electrical energy is now converted into the mechanical energy because it is raising the water to some height, na. So that is called as the potential energy. Basically, the mechanical energy. So motor converting an electrical energy into the mechanical energy. Yes or no? Did you understand, guys? Now, for example, in our society, there is a huge water storage tank is there at very great height. Okay, why it's very great height? Because when the water will come out, there is no need of any electrical energy. That huge amount of water is there on the great height. Okay, when the water will releases, it will directly go to the houses of each and every person because of great potential energy. Did you understand, guys? Did you understand? Okay, this is how the conservation of energy works. Okay, okay. Now we will understand the last topic, which is power. Power. Okay, we'll take one example and then we will understand this. Listen, guys. For example, for example, this person pushes the box, okay, to reach, okay, the box is 10 kg. The box is 10 kg and the distance is uh, 10 meter, for example. 10 kg, 10 meter. Okay. And uh, this person also pushes the same 10 kg box to this 10-meter distance. But the difference is he completed this work in 10 seconds and he completed this work in 5 seconds. Now, now, if you are doing the work at fast rate, then what will happen? You have more power. Like if I will ask the option A or option B, which will have the more power? So what will you say, guys? Joshua? Option A or option B, which will have more power?
Option A, right?
Option A has more power.
Yeah.
Okay. Jehovan or Jashron, which will
Option
have
B.
option B has more power. Jashron, yours
B.
B. Sam, which will have more power, A or B? You're saying something.
B, sir, B.
B. Okay. Jashron, why you choose B?
It falls faster.
Yes. Good. So power, Joshua. The B is the correct answer. B will have more power because both are doing same work. Na? 10 kg, 10 kg, 10 meter, 10 meter. Both are doing same work. Okay. Like we know that what is the formula for the work? The work is equals to force into distance travel. So how much force is there? Okay. The force is 10 kg. Okay, we'll take 10 Newton as a force so that it won't be confusing. Like 10 Newton. 10 Newton. The force is 10 Newton into distance is 10. So it means that both are doing 100 joule work. Okay. Both are doing 100 joule work, but the option A person is doing 100 joule work, is doing 100 joule work in 10 seconds, and the option B person is doing 100 joule work in 5 seconds. So if you will calculate it, you will get that this person did 10 watt power and this person did 20 watt power. So which will have more power? The option B will have more power. Did you understand, guys? Yes or no? Joshua, Jehovan, Jeshron, did you understand?
Sir, can you repeat again?
See, the power is defined as the work done in the given time. If you will do the same work done in 10 seconds, if you will do the same work done in 5 seconds, so which will have more power? The person who did in 5 seconds. Okay, why? Because work upon time is basically called as power, and work is 100 joule, and time is 5. So it's when you divide, you will get 20 watt, and in the option A, 100 upon 10, it becomes 10. It means that the person who in option B has the more power. Understood, guys? Yes or no?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is all about power. So we have completed this chapter also. Now, Jehovan, which chapters are left? Do you have any ideas? What chapters are left in science? I guess chapter number 1 is left, which we will do with the new batch, like from Monday. You just give me the clip, okay, and then tomorrow I will take the test of this chapter, oral test, okay. I will take the oral test of this chapter, whatever we did in this chapter. Okay, guys, did you understand? Yes or no?